Guys, this is how a high-converting store looks like. A nice-looking professional logo with an ad located on the right side. A well-formatted top navigation menu with a bunch of instant, ready-to-click hot topics to pick from, with a quick preview displayed right away by just hovering over the topic of your choice. With a search feature which lets you find any information you would like to see. With a really nice slider made up of highly attractive titles and images, with highly important data towards the conversion of a visitor, which is social proof. What about some breaking news titles preview? A high-converting store would also show a preview of different posts contained on each hot topic with bigger images, titles, descriptions, social proof, so people can be even more enticed to take a look. Popular posts as well for this week, this month, or all time. What about videos? People love videos as well. People also love to follow stuff on social media, so they should be able to do so on a high-converting store like this and give them as many options as you can. Show them recommended posts, random posts. Give them tags so they can find even more exactly what they would like to see on your awesome store. And what about voting pools? People love them very much. Quizzes. More topics. News, latest posts. And of course, a professional-looking, high-converting footer too. Well, but a store is made to make money, right? Yes, that is correct. This is why each and every product offer you see here should be linked into an affiliate ID. Like these ClickBank products you see here. Each and every one of them are already linked with my ClickBank affiliate information. Or these eBay products you see here. They are also linked into my eBay affiliate information. And the same with each and every product you can see on this entire store. Well, you might be thinking it took me a great deal of time building up this store, with all of these images, titles, descriptions, and adding an affiliate link to each and every one of these products. Also writing each and every single post as well as customizing the entire site from start to finish. Or you might be thinking I spent a heck of a lot of money to someone to do this for me. Well, let me tell you guys, it did not take a great deal of time building up this high-converting store. I did not pay anyone to build it up for me. In fact, I did it myself. And let me tell you, it took me just a couple of minutes setting this up from start to finish. And it took me just seconds setting up just one of these niche categories. And yes, I'm talking about all of it. Images, titles, descriptions, and even the affiliate links with my own affiliate ID. And the great news is that Wave has made it possible for you to do exactly the same as I did. You might be thinking I'm lying to you guys, right? But let me show you live how I did it, guys. It takes just seconds anyway. Let's go to the admin area. Start the clock, and let's create a new category. Let's now generate a 100% free RSS feed URL full of ClickBank products related to my category. Let's add our affiliate link, of course. Let's copy our profit-making affiliate RSS feed URL. Let's submit our profit-making affiliate RSS feed URL into our store. And that's it. I just created a profit-making category in under a minute full of ready-to-buy products, everyone linked with my affiliate ID. How cool is that? I didn't have to create a post. I didn't have to add any image. I didn't have to add any text. I didn't have to get into my affiliate dashboard either to get the affiliate links for each product. I didn't have to build each and every one of the affiliate links with my affiliate ID. And you can see my affiliate ID is correctly inserted into the sales page URL of the product. Imagine spending just a couple of minutes building many more money-making tabs like this on absolutely any niche. Guys, there isn't a faster way to set up a highly profitable store, even for affiliate profits. There are so many things you can do with Wave's Store Builder. In Home, you can preview your total posts, as well as pending, draft, and pending posts. Yes, you can schedule your posting too. You can also preview comments, contact messages, as well as registered users. In navigation, you can customize the menu items and add more menu links. You can add and edit pages. You can add posts in different formats. You can even upload posts in bulk. Here, you can also handle in what specific section of your store to show your posts. In RSS feeds is where the real magic lies. You can import as many RSS feeds of any kind to fill your store with the best information, including as many affiliate products as you want, from any affiliate platform of your choice, and with your own affiliate IDs. How cool is that? You can use categories and subcategories to organize the topics of your store. You can use widgets, polls, galleries, check contact messages, check comments. You can even set up a reward system to reward the best authors of your store too. Yes, guys, you can have other people do all the posting for you too and reward them for their traffic efforts. And you can also view a list of all the users of your store. And last but not least, you are able to SEO optimize your store with just a few clicks as well. And finally, we have a huge surprise for you too. Here in the members area, where you will be able to spread your store to up to 100 social channels. Here you have 100 sources, ready to generate 100% free buyer traffic in 60 seconds or less. Yes, we decided to over-deliver to you with Wave. And besides giving you a profitable store in as many niches as you want in just a couple of minutes, be able to send buyer traffic to it in just seconds at the same time. This is just terrific, guys. Guys, you have everything you need to succeed with a high-converting, profitable store. And we will even train you how to profit from it step by step. Yes, guys, we have created a special training where we will show you how to profit from Wave from start to finish. So it only takes 3 steps. Step 1, purchase. Grab a copy before the price increases. Step 2, select. Log in and select a niche to instantly deploy a store in less than a minute per niche. Step 3, activate. Click Go to blast your store to 100 sources for free buyer traffic in 60 seconds or less. Guys, the sky is the limit. This is your choice. We've done our part to bring you something powerful and profitable. Now it's your turn to get access to it and profit from it, and we will grab you by the hand until you make it. See you inside.